Right, welcome back to my channel. Today my friends and I are going to the beach. So, beach vlog. I got Tropical Defense, so healthy, so nutritious, one of my favourite days. I got some sausage rolls.
All for yourself.
I bought these with me. And then 2 for £4. Actually bargain. Flapjacks.
Yep.
Brownies. And that's what I got.
I got a ham and cheese.
Oh, that's so depressing.
People are annoying.
20 minutes. I see it! I saw it!
I win! Oh, it feels so weird. Oh, it feels
Oh. Why did they like me?
Told you.
Look at that one that's staring.
Which one? Oh, look at that colour of that one. You see like the brown one?
Yeah.
It's kind of cool. Also, that felt so weird.
William! Why is he acting like he doesn't know we're here?
Yeah, why is that something he didn't drive us like 2 hours? I'm actually just like sweating up there. Oh, this is so nice.
Whoa, it's
Oh, my
cute.
seat too sweet, the sand's gonna stick to me.
That an old IKEA bag?
Why would I be? Why would We went in the sea for like ages and it was really fun and it was actually not that cold.
No, it wasn't that cold.
We went all the way out to that island because we're island gals.
Island gal.
And now me and Will are going to play bat and ball. I'm just putting on some shorts so I can fully get into it. Get into it!
I'm so
1, 2. Right, there we go. Right, no, okay, I'm getting into it. I'll be fine.
You just hit the ball.
Run! Put some effort
Not
in.
moving.
I'm so dirty.
How did you manage that?
I proper sent it to try and get in the ball. Ow, that was so painful. I like smashed my leg.
Maybe we should do 2 runs.
No, we're not doing it 2 trips. We're doing it 1.
Yeah, you've got to get it done in one.
I can go with my shoulder. I'm shaking. I can't get up.
Wait, I can only offer my pinky.
I'm getting dry.
The sun kept on moving. Bye bye, beach.
The breath I just so good.
Will, how's the day been so far?
Really nice.
Yeah, no.
You see, like here.
More.
Oh, this is proper. This is a good bit.
Australia.
Yeah, Australia.
Australia, mate.
Australia. How did you do that? Actually, so effortless.
I'm Australian.
Get my card out.
Australia, mate.
Wait, I need to
Is
edit.
that going in the bin?
Do you want to bin this?
No, you can bin it in a minute.
Wait, we hadn't even filmed that!
Oh. Handstand. It's the same one!
Wow! Now handstand. Oh, that looks really good.
Square.
So guys, oh, this is so fun! Wait, can I hold this just for the? Did you put my thing in the bin?
No, she put it on the roof.
Oh yeah. So guys, we are going to get ice cream, and then we're gonna find somewhere to eat. I wanted to go Chinese.
Republic. Oh my
Stop,
god.
guys! Not my fans. I wanted to
Have a
get
picture.
Chinese. I wanted to get Chinese, but there's no Chinese nearby.
Yeah, we're gonna try and go to a welcome break, which has loads of different foods. So.
Yeah. Nando's was an option.
Yeah, but most of them are quite good.
Because I don't really want a McDonald's. Oh my god, I actually feel like an influencer.
Oh, so it's not that you don't eat them, you just don't
So
want
hit that like button. No, it's that I feel sick after. Hit that like and subscribe. Hit that bell.
Follow me on all the socials.
Yeah, socials. I'll tag them now in the description below.
Make sure you hit them up.
Yeah, this is my Instagram
Show
profile.
me some love.
Pop up here. Let's look at Will's hat though, Carhartt, I respect it. And he's got the Carhartt bag. I've got the Birkenstocks. Wait, let's actually show you the bad
So
boys.
cool.
I got my Jesus creepers on. That's what my dad calls them.
My dad just calls them Jesus slippers.
Oh. No, creepers is funnier. Although actually makes it seem like Jesus is a bit weird. She's not.
It looks pretty there.
Ooh. Oh, that's actually a really aesthetic photo. You have your camera back now.
You
I'm
done with
getting
influencing?
Ooh. We went to come get ice cream because we were like, that's nice. Look at this. 4 o'clock. Why is it shut at 4? Because it's kind of dumb if you think people might come after work. There's not going to be no ice cream. So now
Ice cream after work.
I would.
I'd come down here after school. After school then.
But after school's 3 o'clock.
Yeah, but there was. Okay.
It's so dumb.
Oh, all the way back down there. So we've now got one
Yeah, look how far the car looks.
We just got our steps in, it's
back down
fine.
there. I haven't even got my watch on.
Okay, well I do.
Oh, that is sad.
Didn't even get my stuff.
That's a skill issue.
Field.
Did you say field?
Field, for real.
There's a field here.
Yeah, we are in a field.
What do you need another field for?
I don't know if it's nicer when the sun sets.
You ain't gonna get a nicer field.
Oh, no, because the sunset's late, doesn't it?
Yeah, but to be fair, by the time we get
Sunsets are
somewhere,
like 9.
eat something. Westmoreland Park.
No, sorry, we can't actually go home yet. Ready to go, drive home.
We're gonna stop on the way for some dinner.
Din dins.
Who wants to go to the Four Seasons Orlando? Me!
We're trying to figure out a roundabout.
Oh, they're trying to join that.
This is so dumb though, because you. Oh, and the road's going down to.
No, I'm going round there. I need to follow these.
Watch this car on the coming behind us.
Yeah, we'll look.
I'm watching
you
him.
doing?
I'm
What
doing the
idiot?
same thing as him.
This is so scary. Right.
I'm going.
Another chance to win. Wait, I didn't get any ketchup.
Another chance to win.
What life's about?
What, McDonald's?
Life is about McDonald's. There is no doubt about that. Do you ever think it'd be funny to just unplug someone's electric car?
So funny.
This lid is so small. Would you ever have an XL belly?
No.
Mukbang conversations. That's how it goes. If I had a dog, I'd want a Dalmatian.
Why?
I
I feel like you don't really see many Dalmatians around.
There's one right near us at the moment. Is there?
At the moment? What do you mean at the moment?
It's gonna die soon, isn't it? That is spicy food.
No.
Not really.
Neither of you. Do you like curry?
No.
What is wrong
A
with you?
basic curry, yeah.
I get butter chicken. But I
I'll get
scrape
a
the
korma.
sauce off and just
I'll
eat
get a
the chicken.
korma. Okay, no, that's weird. So you actually don't get butter chicken, you get chicken. But like, I'll eat if my dad's making like a
That was close.
tikka masala, I'll eat it. But I just prefer kormas.
Rubbish.
Because we just do too much shouting in our house, so we try to reduce stress.
That was 17 minutes long.
Till out. Have a good
We're
one.
home. We're done.
This is Rihanna signing off. I had a great day. I'll be honest. Did you guys have a good day?
Had a phenomenal day. Great.
It was a good day. The vibe was very good. The lighting, like we're really living in summer right now, and that's what I like because it's
Only downside was no B-reel.
no be real.
But on the grand scheme of things,
Yeah, we had a
Phenomenal
good
day.
day. So
Yeah. Signing off.